Hi guys, welcome to Luca. We're going to be making cloud slime, and here's my strong daddy to welcome.
Yes, so as Luca said, today we are going to be trying to make
Cloud slime.
cloud slime.
So we got all snow here. Food coloring, glitter, and big balls, and stone, soap, or water, and we got our glitter. Let's start.
Yeah.
So, what do we need first?
Well, first it says we want to do a cup of Elmer's white glue. Bless you.
Thank you.
Would you like to scoot? Oh. Bless you. You want to scoot a little closer to me?
Yeah.
So you can help me? Okay, so we're gonna.
If you need any help, I can help.
Do you think you need to put on your goggles for this?
No.
No? Okay.
That would be funny.
I'm gonna fill this up 4 times and you're gonna dump it in here.
And in mine.
And yours, nothing. We're gonna make the slime in this one. Then we're gonna make the snow in that one. Put the slime in the snow. Oh, it's gonna be epic, as you say. Here we go, people.
What if we get an epic fail?
It probably will be an epic fail. But that's okay. At least we tried and had fun doing it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, 1. Oh yeah, look at that.
It looks like vanilla yoga.
Okay. Oh no.
Weirdo.
All over Luca's hands.
I'm a glue monster now, guys.
Yeah, guys.
Do not do this at home without pants because you may make a
Here's a
big
paper.
mess.
We're having fun. We're doing it for fun. So while Luca cleans up the mess, I'm gonna go ahead and just try to scrape as much as I can out of
You
here.
need a pan with you because you may make a snowy mess and like pour it all everywhere. And you need help with the glue, of course, because you might get a sticky mess.
Exactly.
And a glittery mess, probably. And a coloring mess.
So here we have, in a bowl, we have 1 cup of Elmer's white glue. The recipe that I saw said to do 2 pumps of foaming hand soap.
Okay?
You want to pump it?
It's
2
mine.
pumps.
It's mine, guys.
Yeah.
From the bathroom.
Don't spread it in your face. Give me 1 more for good luck. Okay. So we did like
Can I mix?
3.
Now we're gonna mix.
And then it also says 2 squirts of lotion. I couldn't find any lotion that has a squirter, so we're going to be using this fine cocoa butter body lotion.
Can I help?
How about I do it?
Okay.
We're going to say that is 1 squirt.
Please don't fart. Please don't fart.
2 squirts. Okay.
So it's like a brownish coconut shell color.
Oh, now it even smells like cocoa butter. That's fantastic. You want me to mix?
No, I can do it.
Oh, Luca's gonna mix?
And it looks like real coconut, white and brown.
Exactly.
And all that brown is now mixed into all that white.
So at this point here, after you've mixed your glue and your lotion
Snow time?
and your...
Snow time?
No, it's not snow time. Glue, lotion, and hand soap, if you want to add any coloring to this slime, now's the time to do it.
What color do you think is the best? Leave it in my comments below. Well, I am going for maybe teal and pink. Maybe teal and pink to make purple.
If you want to make purple, I would just use the purple.
So we got all purple here.
So we're going to make this purple. Okay, so
I'm going to mix it, please.
how many drops?
1,
Oh my God.
2.
Oh my God. Okay, oh, whoa, bro.
Can I mix?
Yeah. Put it back on tight.
No, I said can I?
Okay. Mix it up. I'm gonna put this over here because
So here's what it looks like right now. Let's mix this in.
Oh, look at that, guys. Can you see that?
Yeah.
I don't know if you can. I'm gonna come over to the camera and see what you see. I'm gonna see what you see. Luca, can you tilt the bowl towards me so I can see if no, more. Oh yeah, there it is. That's the ticket.
So we got all two cups in here. Oh, well, we gotta mix it together.
That is some purple slime.
Yeah. I wanted it to be real purple, so that's why I added like 3 or 4. Now let's mix all that darkness in.
Yeah, mix in the darkness.
There. So here we have our purple slime.
Okay. Daddy's just gonna give it one good quick whisk here.
I hope it doesn't turn out like regular slime, but that would be okay because, right?
Yeah.
Slime is kind of fun.
Okay, so now that you have your glue,
And now we're doing
hand soap, lotion, food coloring to your color. Now this here is the secret ingredient when making slime. This is borax. So it's a teaspoon of borax mixed with warm water. And we're gonna shake it up to dissolve all the borax.
Can I say?
Yeah, you can shake it.
Okay.
Shake it.
There.
Okay, so now you're supposed to,
Spray it in.
when you add this, I've heard this on YouTube. When you spray this borax solution into this glue, this is called activating the slime.
Yeah.
So we are gonna activate this slime. Don't know how many sprays it's gonna take,
But we're still gonna do it.
but we're still gonna do it. So go ahead, start spraying, girlfriend. Right in the eye. Oh yeah, get it in there good.
Now next.
You wanna mix or spray?
Spray.
Okay, keep going. Now I've been told that you wanna do this, you wanna activate this slime until it,
Now we made like real slime. It's like slime right now. And then we're gonna make it into, cloud slime.
until it doesn't stick to the sides. So I don't know if you can see this right now, but we're still sticking. So we're gonna add some more.
Borax.
Easy.
Right on the finger.
Oh, right on the finger.
It got me at that time.
Yeah. Okay. Easy does it there.
Are we gonna touch it? I think it would be way too sticky to touch. And you need a grown-up with you guys. Make sure all you grown-ups are not on vacation or something or work. I'm gonna spray you guys.
Today's Sunday, so this is day 3 of daddy-daughter activities. Why don't you tell all the viewers what we've been doing this weekend while Mommy's been at work?
We've been watching a lot of episodes of SpongeBob, making a couple vlogs and stuff. And having fun like that.
What else have you been making?
Are you ready? Ocean sand.
And what else? Some kind of app.
YouTube.
TikToks.
Yeah, guys.
Okay.
You guys can go to TikTok and hit Self a Stranger thing, and then I will show up.
Okay, I don't know what's going on here. Doesn't really seem to be
It just points them in.
activating.
Can I mix? Can I try?
I mean, it's kind of wet. Yeah. Oh, we got something. Oh, gross.
You got some real slime there. Right?
I think that was the secret. I just don't think we had enough of the activation. So you know what I'm gonna do? Guess what?
Snow.
I'm going right in with my fingers. Yeah. Because we gotta try to get it all off the sides of the bowl here. Because I think we've activated this slime.
Can I make some snow? Can you tell me the ingredients?
Okay, so, yeah. So what we're going to do, since this is called cloud slime, you pretty much make normal slime, and then you get this stuff. I got mine off Amazon. It's called Amazing Super Snow Powder.
No.
And pretty much it's powder, and when you add water, it just absorbs it.
Like turns into soft snow.
Exactly.
So
if you want to put,
I'm gonna just.
you're gonna make the snow in your bowl.
Yes.
So go ahead and put in
2 cups.
two cups.
Yeah. 3 cups.
You can do 2 scoops. And this comes with. Go ahead and tell the vlog what you're doing while you're doing it now.
So I have got some powdery stuff, and this is like a little scooper, and you cannot let your pet or anything eat this. So don't drop anything on the floor. You need to back your mirror up just in time before your pets come to you and start eating.
That's exactly right. How many scoops is that?
Probably like 3.
That's plenty, people.
So we're gonna get like off the snow line here.
Yeah, and we might want to do a close-up action of our snow expanding. So here you can see Luca's got her snow in the bowl. We just have to add water to that.
Yep. Can I get a
But
cup?
here's our slime so far, guys.
Is it a liquidy?
It's pretty much your typical slime.
It's pretty nice.
And we're
like
gonna,
normal slime that you always make every day.
yeah,
But we're gonna do it kind of different this way.
yeah.
We're gonna make it into cloudy slime.
Okay, so put our slime in that bowl. Get your snow bowl.
Mm-hmm.
Bring it on up here.
Mm-hmm.
So this is what we got right now, guys. It's just a powdery solution. And then when Luca adds his water in, you're gonna be amazed.
You ready to be amazed by this? Fool?
Okay, so Luca's gonna add the water in.
Are you ready to see?
And look at that. Look at that.
And now let's feel. Snow. I wish you guys would come and feel it.
So it turns into like a snowy
stuff.
Yeah. So now
And we got our snow here.
what we do is we take our slime that we
I
made.
was panicking there. That was not good.
Yeah. We're gonna take our slime that we made and we're gonna put it in this bowl and we're just gonna massage all that snow right into the slime. So we're gonna
Yeah.
bloop. Okay, go to town.
I am not touching this stuff.
Do you want me to work it in there?
That's actually so good. The slime is so good.
We gotta work it in. You want me to do it?
I don't know. I can do it.
Okay.
Look at that. That's like coloring this now, kind of.
Mm-hmm.
Massage it in the lid.
Exactly. You're pretty much massaging the snow into the slime. Yep. Just like that. Bury it in the snow.
And then massage.
Rub it. Massage it.
So I'm burying it right now
Mm-hmm.
with all winter snow.
Oh yeah, do that again. Pick the snow up out of the bowl and dump. Look at that, viewers. Wow.
This was only a couple dollars, I think, or so. To buy.
What? The snow?
Yes.
Yeah, I think it was like $6 off of Amazon.
Or like 5. And now we got all our slime very. I'm gonna stretch.
Okay, easy.
Mix.
You're gonna try your best to keep it in the bowl, because like Luca said, this snow is some type of something.
Messy.
I don't know, but it's probably not good if animals eat it, because it probably absorbs all their inside juices. Yeah.
Like their blood.
Yeah.
And all their water.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna bury it one more time.
Okay, so you really got to get in there, and you gotta just
Do that.
work it in there, Luca. Oh my God.
I need to get this off.
Yeah, just shake it all over the house. Yep, perfect. God, it's perfect.
I can barely stop giggling.
Yeah.
My dad is always so funny at our giggle monster. He makes me giggle all the time.
Yeah, keep coming. Keep telling me. Keep telling me how great I am.
You're really funny, and I love you, my best daddy. And I never want you to leave me.
Thanks. All the same to you.
I'm trying to cover this finger hole that I made.
Do you want me to get in there and work it a little bit?
No.
No?
No.
Okay.
I'm making that hole a little bit deeper. We're going into the slime. Yeah. And
So I mean, are you happy with this finished product or not yet?
Not yet because it's not like that's not a slime.
Yeah. So the idea that we got for this slime, there's a toy called 5 Surprise, but it's the Unicorn Squad 5 Surprises. They each come with this little tiny thing of slime, and it's like the coolest slime you'll ever feel. It's really stretchy and really like fluffy. So this is our attempt at trying to make our own, because it only comes with a little tiny bit.
And we're trying to make a lot.
And the 5 Surprise, and we're trying to make a big old glob right now. We'll see how it turns out.
Snow foam now, but you can knead all that snow in. Okay.
Mm-hmm. I can tell Alexa to put on some slime making music. Alexa, play some slime making music.
I couldn't find any slime making sounds.
Alexa doesn't have any slime making sounds. Sorry, guys.
Well, guess what? I have no idea when it's time for glitter. When is the time for glitter?
Glitter?
Yeah.
I think we would have put the glitter in when we put in the food coloring.
Well, let's do it right now.
I don't know what that just did. I just switched bowls. I mean, this stuff is really getting all over the place, guys. So we're just gonna keep on kneading this.
Until it's time for glitter. Can I do the glitter right now? Can I do the glitter right now?
I don't know if you put glitter in it at this point. I don't know if it's gonna actually go in it or if it's gonna just
Ruin it.
yeah.
Please, can we do it though?
Sure, put some glitter in it, baby. Oh God.
Which one do you think is better?
I'm gonna spray some more of this stuff in it because
It's getting not too activated.
why not, right?
From my tape glitter pack here. Okay. Let me see.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, we're getting some glitter here.
That's probably enough.
No. Now dab all that glitter in. Can I suggest one more thing? Or glitter.
So I think we're just gonna go right to from farm to table. So here's what we have so far.
It's glittery
And it doesn't really seem to be
slime.
well, it's slime, but it doesn't really seem to be that stretchy, foamy kind that we're looking for. Maybe we needed more.
Gimme.
Maybe we need more snow.
Let me see. Glitter time. Glitter
Okay.
time. We're going into glitter heaven. That's what I'm talking. I'm not getting out of this glitter spell. I'm especially under the glitter spell. Right?
Right.
What about those teeny tiny more dots of glitter? Just one more tiny dots of glitter. Please. Please. Then maybe a little bit more snow after glitter.
Yeah, I think we definitely need more snow.
Can I add just one more touch of color of glitter to it? Let me see. Let me see this. Glitter.
Okay.
Can I mix it in? Don't.
Sure,
Don't you
go
dare.
ahead. I think that's, and then that's probably enough glitter for the slime, wouldn't you say?
For this glitter fantastic thing
Mm-hmm.
that we're doing.
I mean, it's pretty cool. I mean, it's not really that foamy yet, but it's a pretty cool texture.
And
We-
slime.
What do you think, Luca?
It's cool slime though.
Yeah, it's cool slime. It's not really
It's definitely what we're wishing for.
sandy cloud slime, but
It's still slime. Let's add more snow.
okay, we're gonna add more snow.
Give me the snow. I'm gonna make like a bowl shape here.
No, we gotta make the snow in
A bowl.
a bowl.
A couple more scoops.
Okay, go ahead. Add water to that.
You know what time it is? Magic time, baby.
Magic time, baby. Okay, so we're gonna make some more snow.
We got a little glass of water.
That's a lot of water. I don't think we need that much.
No, more water than that.
More water than that?
To make it extra big. Okay. So the secret of this.
Is that good?
Let me show you. Let me show you a trick, bro.
Okay, bro.
Like that.
Mm-hmm.
Now you take a scoop up. Then I'm going to.
Nope. 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 Hard pass. Nope. Nope.
Now do that. Yeah.
Why don't you put the whole thing of slime in there and mix it all around?
That's not a good idea. That way we can make good bubbles with the slime, right? You still make slime. I don't know what it's gonna turn out like, right?
Right.
To be like a.
So here's our finished slime. Yeah,
It's messy.
it's awesome. It's
Messy.
so Luca, go ahead and do the big sign off.
Well, guys, give me the slime. Give me some of the slime. I'm gonna slice this in half.
Thanks for watching. Bye.